Hi guys, this is professional grooming kit is dressing for both home user phone and barbers. It includes two grooming devices and a replacement men's cover giving you everything you need for daily trimmer and shaving. It features high quality titanium blades and a dual head oil quiet system that helps your trim with precision and comfort. The blades are hyperallergenic, making them gentle on all skin types, even for sensitive skin. This set included their main tools in one: a T-blade trimmer, a clipper, and braid trimmer. Whether you're shaping your braid trimmer, your nickel, or cleaning body hair, it got you covered. It also has a travel look for added safety when packing it in your bag. With a powerful lithium battery, this trimmer gives you up to 150 minutes of use after just 2 hours of charging, and it's travel ready, comfortable, with power system Wahl. For the best result, the trimmer works well, short, stable, up to 125 inch. If your hair is thicker, just use the trimmer first to make shaving smoother and more comfortable. It's a complete, reliable grooming solution for perfect for everyday use or taking with your on the go.